Here you can see the original frame I made some time ago. It was designed only for saddlebags. I'll show it up close, the shape, the dimensions and the whole construction. Now I need to modify it so it can carry the new aluminum side boxes that will be mounted directly on the frame. First, I take all the critical measurements. The mounting points to the bike must remain the same, so the new frame will match these exactly. I placed the first aluminum box on the original frame to see how its shape fits and where adjustments will be needed for the new frame. Adding the second box gives me an idea of the total width, layout and overall geometry. This shows me how to adapt the new frame so the boxes fit securely and precisely. I used the old frame as a template. I secured it to the table to maintain exact dimensions, which I'll follow when assembling the new frame. All mounting points must remain identical. I prepared the base material, a steel tube with a 19mm diameter and 1.5mm wall thickness. I cut it into approximate lengths I'll need and later will trim the precise angles according to the drawing I made. After cutting the tubes, I deburred the sharp edges so that handling the material is easier and safer for the next steps. Next, I cut all the parts to the exact lengths and angles I measured. Every piece must fit perfectly into the template. I placed the parts into the template made from the old frame and began tack welding them section by section. This ensures the structure won't move during welding and maintains the correct geometry. Before final welding, I fit the new frame onto the bike to check that all mounting points and angles are exactly right. This is a critical step for proper installation of the boxes. Once everything was confirmed, I started the final welding. I went through all the joints step by step, completing the new carrier to be strong, durable, and ready to hold the aluminum boxes. And here's the result. Original frame and new one. The construction is stronger, more precise and ready for panniers. I'm happy with how it turned out and I hope this process shows how a project like this can be done.